In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Shop Cash. In order to get started, firstly, you need to open the Shop Cash Shop app. In the top, there is address bar. Type down shop.app and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, you need to browse the product from the store that participates in the Shop Cash program. Eligible products and stores typically display a Shop Cash badge. So next, what you need to do is you need to simply open the product that you want to purchase. And after that, you can select any required options such as size or color. And after that, click onto this add to cart. And you can proceed to checkout using ShopPay. In the left hand side, go to this view cart here and you can review your order summary to make sure the shop cash discount has been applied correctly. If everything looks good, complete your payment by tapping continue to checkout and you can proceed to it and follow the on-screen instruction, and after your order is confirmed you will receive an order confirmation and any remaining shop cash balance will stay in your account for future eligible purchase. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.